एकाच ठिकाणी उभा आहे.
कुठं? हां.
So, Boston Commons in front of us. This is Charles Street. It was part of the Charles River. And during the occupation of Boston, you would have seen British troops camped out on the Common. A pivotal event that happened was 5 years into the occupation. 3 ships came into Boston Harbor with a cargo. A river. Looks like the Charles River. Want to see if this thing floats? That was not an overwhelming endorsement. Tell you what, if you're worried, we can let you off at a park. We'll go in, we'll pick you up on the way out. Think about it, you got a few minutes. On our right, this looks like a hall of mirrors, doesn't it? Do you guys in the back have the right angle for that yet? No? You will when we move up. Isn't it cool? There's the Leechmere Viaduct. It was built to get trains over the river. We love our horns. We don't like, we're very, this is very scary. On our left, that's a model of my 4th grade teacher, Sister Frances Anita. Horrible creature. This is the Museum of Science. Great place. Who said, have you been there? Do you have a favorite place? A favorite thing in it?
Not really.
No? Okay, I'll tell you a cool thing. So they have a theater of electricity where my son is dating the operator of the Van de Graaff generator. And right after our wedding anniversary, she's gonna put my wife and I in the cage! Nice. Looking forward to October. You too? I do too. My son's birthday is October, so we get another homemade Boston cream pie. October 5th. Dad was the 7th. Does that help you? Hello, Tim. Sandy's small enough? You look very fit, Sandy, but you're not 90 pounds. No. So, yeah. We have emergency exits everywhere. The curtains in the back pull open. The front part of the roof opens to the front. Back part of the roof opens to the back. Windshield opens. No smoking or vaping is allowed on board. I have a fire extinguisher here, and I'll put you out if you start smoking. And if we're on the river and you notice that Mike and I have been rendered unconscious, I have to tell you this, something's gone very wrong. And you should call for help. See this? Hit the red button, it goes to channel 16. That's the emergency channel. And the state police monitor channel 16. So that's not gonna happen. Let me get out of the way so they can see. You sure you want to do this? It seems wrong. Okay, feels right. Oh my God, he's doing it! Oh, please let it flow. Oh, good.
Oh.
Nice. Yes, we are. The most common question I get on the water is, what happens to the wheels? Nothing. The big wheels, they keep on turning. As we're rolling in the river. We're at the end of the river. Can you guys see this? Oh, there's a train in the way. Okay. Well, beyond the train is the Charles River Dam by maybe 100 yards. So that is the very end of the river. This is where the river used to flow into the harbor before the old dam was built. That's the new dam. The Museum of Science is built on the old dam. And the old dam was replaced by the new dam for better flood control. And then the one lock in the old dam was opened mom, great cook, wonderful woman. She lived 93 years. And mom never could keep a secret. So I'm going to quote my mother now. I'm not supposed to tell anyone this, but never us. What was the other name going to be? Boston. Boy, people love, I haven't been to your state, people love it. No, wait, yeah, no, I went through Idaho, right? If I went from Washington to Montana, I went through Idaho. But I've seen pictures of Oregon. Oh man, I really want to go on vacation there. I don't know when. It would have been sooner, but our house was built, was it Sunday? Oh right, because Fenway had that and the Patriots had a bad day. Okay. Did you come all the way here for the concert? I love that. New York, yeah, make a trip out of it. Isn't it? Was the concert good? Was the concert good? Oh, excellent. I'm happy for you. So what we're looking at, let's go to the left first. That park is called the Esplanade. It's about 3 miles long. And directly ahead of us is the Longboat. It's on our State House from 1798. The buildings on this side of it are from the 1800s. The buildings behind it are from the 1900s, and the glass towers are from this century. Holly, I'm going to give someone else a turn. That was great. You get stickers. Well done. Pretty good movie. Jeff Bridges and Tommy Lee Jones. In the beginning of the movie, near the beginning of the movie, there's an aerial shot of this bridge, and you're like, oh my God, those people don't care about their bridges. So a few years ago, we spent $300 million to restore the bridge. And it came out beautifully. You spend that kind of money, you want it to come out right. So they wanted it to look just like it did originally. The iron workers, when they did repairs and replacements of any of this, they weren't allowed to do it by welding. They had to use rivets by hand. And that was just 5 years ago. What's your name? Charlene. How are you? Good. Don't anything. I trust you. Should I trust you? Does anyone know? The red triangle. To the left of it, there's a big building. To the left of that, there's a gap, and you can make out the light towers of Fenway Park. Oldest park in Major League Baseball. Our tallest building is the one with the black stripe. But I want you to know about the second tallest building, because you can enjoy that. The one with the big antenna is the Prudential Tower. And on their top floors have 360-degree views. Sculptures are here. So the bridge was built early 20th century. And when it was being built, a Harvard professor contacted the state and said, sir, absolutely. So they hired sculptors to make pretty intricate sculptures. And it turned out this guy had no clue what he was talking about. There is no evidence a Viking ever saw the river. But he was a professor of chemistry, so not that that's bad, you know. That's hard, but you might not know, you know. You don't want an architect to remove your gallbladders, so same thing. Anybody else want to turn? You're doing well. Nobody else? You sure? Okay. He's got this. Oh, that's those are the Finger Islands. That's where Mr. and Mrs. Mallon raised Jack. Did make way for Douglas. Did I mention that? I mentioned that, right? I always mention it. The steeple is the Church of the Advent. It's just off Charles Street. We were on Charles Street, but we turned up Beacon Hill, and we kept going straight. It would have been bad because it comes one way, the other way. But that's a beautiful street to explore. A lot of antique shops, a lot of great. The buildings are from the 19th century. I don't know when that church was built. Would have been early 1800s. And if it's open, inside, it's like 4 different churches architecturally. It's beautiful. I haven't been in there in years. But some of the churches are the most beautiful works of art in the city. Maybe the greatest time. That's subjective. My favorite thing to see to go inside is the library. If you have a chance, our library was built to be a palace to the people. So you walk in the outer doors, and the main, he had a twofold mission that night: activate rebel militia, but make sure you get to Lexington to warn Hancock and Adams to escape. You want to stop. The kid's holding the duck. He's on a bicycle holding the duck. You should probably just stop or speed up. I'm not.
करायचं आहे का म्हणजे
बघून मग यायचं.
एक दिवस